Hi, this is Steve LaRue with the LaRue team of realtors at McGrew Real Estate. I'm here at 1402 8th Street in Baldwin City. I want you guys to check this house out. Here's a view from the front porch. Great covered front porch. Just about 3 blocks south of downtown Baldwin, right on 8th Street. Let's take a look inside. Walk into the living room area here. We do have new carpet being installed prior to closing. Check out the kitchen dining room. We've already got some new tile floor in here. Here's a sample of the carpet that we're planning on putting in. If you decide you want something different, we can work with you on that, but that's what we're planning on. Kitchen area here with everything you'd ever need. Out this door, you've got a great deck area. So here you get access to your garage, get away from the street. Big deck, great for entertaining. You got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths here on the main level. 3 bed, 3 bath total. Price is $164,900. One of the bedrooms there, kind of the secondary storage bedroom right now. We do have a half bath here off the hallway. Go here, this is the master bath. See, we've got some neat detail in the ceiling, some coffered ceilings. Got a good sized closet. It also has an attached bath right here at the doorway. It's got a shower. Let's go look upstairs. Back here in the living room area. We'll go upstairs to our 3rd bedroom and 3rd bath area. Got the bathroom here right at the top of the stairs. Full bathroom. Fiberglass tub shower insert. Some newer flooring here. Matches the flooring in the kitchen. Got some cool kind of detail to the ceilings here. Fun little play area nook. And a walk-in closet. So here's 1402 8th Street. View of the neighborhood. All right, so there you go, 1402 8th Street, Baldwin City, Kansas. We got that priced at $164,900, listed by LaRue Team of Realtors at McGrew Real Estate. I'm Steve LaRue. Give me a ring at 785-766-2717 if you'd like to check out this house or any other house. Thanks, have a great day.